We're working through all the free video tutorials on the Husqvarna Viking Onyx 15 sewing machine. And let's talk needle positions. On this machine, when you're on the first straight stitch, the one where the logo's straight up and down, your needle is in the center needle position. So if you want it to be in the far right needle position, that's what the second collection of straight stitches has. You kind of see that there's like a bubble at the top and the line is more kind of coming down the right side and a little dot at the top. That indicates that you're going to now be in the far right needle position. So why would you use a needle position way over to the right? One of the things I do is I do a lot of top stitching where I'm sewing really close to the edge. If my needle was in the center, I'd be lining my fabric up, as you can see, with pretty much one toe of the foot on the fabric and one toe off the fabric. So my foot's actually kind of riding down the sidewalk here, a little offset. So if I utilize the right needle position, I can bring my fabric back underneath the foot. This time, as that foot presses down on my fabric, and remember the teeth that are underneath? The teeth are pulling the fabric through. Now they have even edges, like it can touch both sides of the foot, and you'll get a much smoother, even stitch. So needle positions are handy. You're either in the center or you are in the far right. You have all the options for stitch length, and you can do that triple straight stitch as well. So it's really easy. Just note that when you want to really utilize the seam allowances or markings on this stitch plate, they are measured from the center needle position. So make sure you're back on the original stitch with the logo straight up and down, and you know that you're going to get exactly the distance that you are searching for. Check out all the links of videos that we have in the description below so you can learn about all the other stitches and great ways to take care of this machine so it will last a lifetime.